On a quiet day on Mars, a rover scraped a rock and stumbled onto the biggest stash of life's building blocks ever found on the planet. Nobody on Earth knew it yet. The data just sat there, waiting. And yes, this is exactly what the headline promised. The largest haul of organic molecules ever detected on Mars. Stick around, because by the end, you'll learn the one thing these molecules still can't prove. But first, a question that's haunted us for centuries. Were we ever alone? And could a dusty robot millions of miles away finally whisper an answer? Meet the star of this story, NASA's Curiosity rover. A nuclear-powered lab on wheels, the size of a small car, slowly rolling across an ancient crater. Its home is Gale Crater, a place that, billions of years ago, may have been a lake. Calm water, mud settling at the bottom, perfect for keeping secrets. That old mud hardened into rock. And the rover decided to drill straight into it, pulling up a powder no human hand has ever touched. The sample had a name, Cumberland, a piece of stone that's been sitting untouched for over 3 billion years, and it was about to spill. Inside the rover sits an oven. It bakes the powder, heating it until hidden molecules cook free as gas. That's how it reads the unreadable. And when the gas drifted through its instruments, something extraordinary showed up. Long chains of carbon atoms, the kind life is built from. These weren't just any molecules. They were the largest organic compounds ever spotted on Mars. Decane, undecane, dodecane. Big words for tiny treasures. Here's why scientists held their breath. On Earth, molecules like these often come from fatty acids, the stuff that wraps around our cells. Fatty acids are like the bricks of every living wall, so finding their fingerprints on Mars? That's the closest we've come to a chemical heartbeat. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting. The instrument wasn't even designed to find these. They appeared by accident. Scientists were actually hunting for amino acids. The molecules turned up unexpectedly in the leftovers. A happy accident hiding in old data. And the fact they survived at all is the real shocker. Mars is blasted with radiation. Most fragile molecules should have been wiped out long ago. Yet the rock kept them safe, tucked inside clay-rich mudstone, sealed away from the harsh sky for billions of years. That changes the whole game. If molecules can hide this long here, maybe deeper rocks are holding even bigger secrets. So now the payoff you've been waiting for. With all this, can we finally say Mars had life? And the honest answer is no, not yet. Here's the catch. These same molecules can form without any life at all, through plain chemistry, no biology needed. That's the one thing they still can't prove. So the rover left us with a tantalizing maybe. A door cracked open, but not yet walked through. The real verdict needs these rocks back on Earth in our biggest labs. That mission is still being planned. Until then, here's the thought that lingers. A robot, working quietly and alone, may have recorded the first real hint that we were never the only chemistry in the universe. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.